Hello everybody, my name is Arturo. This is Arturo's Crazy Life, and today we're in Kaaterskill Falls. Let me take you on an adventure. Let's go. Squeeze it. Hello squeezy people, we out here on another adventure. We're in upstate New York yet again, and we are on our way to Kaaterskill Falls. We've seen them on TikTok. They look really nice, so we're gonna come check it out. So we left the car parked in a parking lot since the main road is closed, and we're heading there right now. Also guys, there's a trolley that can take you here. We've seen them all around when we're driving here. It's a Kaaterskill trolley right there. And this is what the parking lot looks like. It's pretty small, and I'll tell you guys, there's a lot of people coming here. I mean, it's 1 in the afternoon. Usually these places don't get packed this late, but it looks like it might be really nice. So, oh, there's also an information center right there, which is really good. There you go. How you doing, guys?
To be ashamed.
And this is where the trail starts. We saw that it was about 30 minutes walking, right? So it shouldn't be too bad. And I mean, people are just walking along. So we're gonna follow the masses, people, until we find a waterfall. Yeah. Yay! So we have reached the point in the trail where it splits into two. It says Lower Falls and the Falls View platform. Everybody seems to be going off Falls View platform, so we're just gonna keep on walking along there, and later on we're gonna go and explore the other area and see what we can find over there. There's tons of people over here, but one thing to be noted, like, the trail there is really well maintained. I mean, anybody can come here. I mean, even someone in a wheelchair, let's say somebody wanted to come, it's really easy. It's just like a little path to walk. More people come.
Yeah, I kind of want to go straight.
So we reached the falls view. It was really nice. I was able to take some drone footage from over there, but the state ranger let me know that I couldn't fly the drone, so that will be all the footage that I'm gonna get for today. But it's definitely worth the view, guys. Everybody comes here, and from that little platform you can see down. You guys are gonna see it when I put the drone shots there. But we're gonna head back to where the trail split into two, and we're gonna start heading down to where everybody is. There's a lot of people swimming there, so.
And it's hot.
That is a plus. It's pretty hot today, so I'm excited to dip into some water, man.
Me too.
You excited?
Yeah, I brought my bathing suit.
She ready. A lot of people come in with their bathing suits on. Hey, you wanna come do the same? I think if you're gonna take the 3 hours it takes from around the Boston greater area to get here, you might as well dip into some nice refreshing mountain water, you know?
Water.
And you can bring your kids, the family. I don't know if I brought your dog though, but it's really nice.
My kid.
I brought my child with me. I got some Pringles in the bag for her because my kid needs to be fed. So we went on the other side now to the trail where it split up, and there's this little cool bridge that we're crossing. On the whole way drive here, there's some nice you drive through like rivers, on top of rivers, which is really nice, and there's some people down there. It's pretty cool, man. And the guy was saying that it's about an hour round trip, right, babe? 30 minutes, that's exactly what we saw online, so, which is pretty dope. And the trail splits in two parts right there, too. So once you reach this point, guys, you're gonna go over here if you guys want to go to the main pool area. That's one of the guys that works here kindly told us. We appreciate that. They're here to help everybody. Be nice, be polite, be cooperative. Well, how do you say that? Cooperative with them, okay? Don't argue with them. And this is what the trail looks like. It says 0.1 like miles down there, so it's really not a long way down there. But he said to be careful and keep 6 feet away from the edge of the waterfall. You guys are gonna see once we get over there. That's pretty much it. People bring their dogs, so I guess you can bring your dog. And we reached the point where he said it, that we're gonna take a ride. It's right here for reference. So if you guys come, do look at it. The trail keeps on going that way, but you gotta take a right here. We have reached the final part of the descent to the falls. And it's this cool little stone stairs. And you can faintly see it through the camera over there. So it took us about like 20-30 minutes, which is not bad at all. And you see a lot of people with sandals. So like I said, some parts you have some rocks here and there, but it's not that major deal. And there's two trails right here, guys.
Do they both go the same?
One goes to the bottom and the other one goes around that fall, like the top. Take a right. Let's go. I want to go see the edge of the falls. Guys, there's the lookout where we're at. We're through the drone. So that means we are almost there. Actually, we are at the falls already. Look at this, people. It's a lot of people. Look at that. This is pretty dope. So we just gotta find a little spot and chill down. Guys, we couldn't just stay sitting down there because there's a little thing right there that you can walk through. And I have to do it. And I stay behind there, sitting down. I'm out here doing dangerous shit as always. But I wouldn't be me if I didn't do it. This is pretty a little sketchy over here. It's a lot of loose rock. So if you come over here and you go up here, just be careful. The last thing you want is to break something or fall, and then you're fucked. It's pretty fucking dope, yo. Look at that view. This is the shit that I live for, okay? I love adventures, I love exploring. I love finding new spots like this. Wow. This is just awesome. You can get through. It's just like a half moon. You start from that part right there, walk all the way through here, and you finish over there. Yeah. But look at this view again, people. And this, guys, is with the empire of where I told you guys, the trail ends. It's a little nice walk. You can take some pretty dope pictures over there. I might have Anna take some of me later, but I do want to get in the water though. It was a little cold at first, but now it's getting a little hot, so let's do it. Guys, this place is beautiful. You like it?
Yeah.
This is like this really cool spot where you guys can take pictures. We took some pictures of Anna there and the intro. I also want to climb up there. I'm gonna find a way to get there. And it's a lot of people here. A lot of kids, a lot of families. And Anna. And just like that, people, the adventure is done. We are heading back to the car. I think it was worth the drive, the 3-hour drive from home. You think it was worth it?
Yeah.
You liked it?
Yeah.
So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep on watching all the videos. There's more stuff coming up in the channel, so hit that subscription button there. I'll see you on the next one. Squeeze!